If you don't see nothing with a little bump and grinding, then you're gonna enjoy this episode. Going down, everybody. Today is gonna be a little something different. We're having a little fun here after Christmas. We got the old Freedom F-150 out, and we got ourselves a bunch of other. I know you guys recognize those, but we're gonna be doing some racing today. We got the opportunity to run out on this awesome private track, and I'm super excited. So we're getting some tires switched around, getting cars fired up and ready. But let's go. Let's go have some fun. Everything's been kind of already been running out there, doing some hot laps. We got a little debeaded action, so we're gonna go ahead and throw the spare back there and throw the fresh tire up here. We got some coolant going in this bad boy. We got an air up tire on that. Freedom F-150 is good to go. Got new tires on it from the burnouts from the 4th. So let's get going. Proper way of swapping tires out. Don't need a jack when you got an escalator. Warm up hot laps are being had. Apparently, truck box is hammered. Oh, we got horn honking. After a couple of hot laps, the truck's doing good, not getting hot. We broke a exhaust hanger, but neighbor hater's still singing. And got the hood pop just letting her cool off, but it hasn't gotten hot. Getting a little dirty. Got a little rubbing action. It's a good time. You know, race truck or not, you still have to have a certain amount of class. You gotta keep the zip tie game strong, you know? You don't want to be the guy out there with the busted up bumper. It's just, you know, for being honest, it's a little embarrassing. It's just a little embarrassing. Get this baby stitched up. Send it. muffler side pipe deleted itself, so we got that over there cooling off. But all in all, great day, good time. Rig held up. We didn't really do any racing. We kind of just had fun, but this thing just won't die. But well, what an awesome day. Great time, met some new people, and obviously hung out with some old friends. The truck did awesome, the thing just won't die. So next time we go out there, maybe I guess we'll just have to be a little harder on it. Exhaust did fall off. We're gonna have to address that, and I think that's about it. Tires all held in there. It was an awesome day, and I know this won't be the last time, so there's gonna be more to come, and probably actually like trying to do some racing. It was just so muddy and so wet. Still a great time though. But thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. There's more content, all sorts of stuff. But definitely, if you like cars, then you'll enjoy this page. So thanks for watching, and until next time.